Guys, for some odd reason, my earlier stream, when I went live, I don't know, the mic just dropped. I don't know what happened, but I'm going to re record this right now. Um, and you know what? Everything happens for a reason. And funny enough, I was actually speaking to one of my cousins, and, I was helping her understand why I started this journey investment 10 years ago. And I was saying, like, my parents, and she was agreeing, her parents, no one actually taught us about financial literacy in terms of investing. And maybe they were not in it, or maybe their parents, whatever, you can blame everybody. But like, uh, I learned this through when I was in Dubai, like I said in the earlier video, but you couldn't hear my voice anyway. And I was like, I've been doing this and it's working for me and it's great. So getting back to what the video is about, the market's about to close now. Well, it's closed. It's 4 p.m. Eastern time. I'm just going to open up the Robinhood public portfolio, and this is where we are at right now in the portfolio, 6,000. And if you saw this a few days ago, I think last week it was like 5,000 something. So SaaS stocks are up. So whatever Wall Street was saying about even Microsoft, like it's up, bro. Like I made 18 bucks on Microsoft today, just today. Look at that candle. These are the positions in the public portfolio. Only 1.7 shares. Like I said, I have Microsoft in my private portfolio, and I've been having it since COVID days. So, but we're here to talk about the public portfolio and how red it was a few weeks ago, and I got in buying. And reason I started this journey with the public portfolio is for all you guys who are new, freshy, want to start making money. Like I said, I'm not a financial certified advisor or whatever. I'm just sharing my experience, what I've been doing, that I've been doing for 10 years now and some change. But I started this public portfolio just because I'm helping people like my friends and family and cousins and clients as well who want us because they ask me sometimes, like, guys, like, bro, Jeremy, like, how are you making some money? And, besides your primary income, I'm like, the market, I've been in the market, it's giving great gains, and the companies that that I believe in, right? So again, not as upset that the earlier video didn't, that you can't hear me. I don't know, it gets cut off for some odd reason. I realized something happened, but I don't know. I just thought there was something like tech. But yeah, SaaS stocks. So Wall Street was like Adobe, Microsoft is done, Salesforce is done, ServiceNow is done. So yes, I have these stocks in my private portfolio, but I was buying it in the public when it was red just to show you guys. Uh, right? So going back to Adobe, Adobe is up today. Well, I'm up today, but I'm still overall down. I'm down $49. And the public portfolio is 2.6 shares, right? That's the market value of the stock in the public portfolio. But look at that candle, bro. It's just shooting. I'm telling you, Wall Street, like my thumbnail says, Salesforce up $6 today in the public portfolio. Uh, 3.5, 15 shares, sorry, down $58, but up 18 today. Look, let me show you these stats, right? So this is Salesforce, correct? Salesforce, where's the morning star? Usually the morning star comes up here. Here we go. So they're saying, Morningstar is saying, so I'm a Robinhood Gold member, so I see these stats. It's only $5 a month. Updated March 5th, 2026. So it says fair value of the stock is 280. Fair value, bro. It's 177 now. You can do the maths. You can do the maths. Service now, my experience with service now, if you get it below 100, if you get it in the 80s, it's great stock to get into. Uh, like my average cost is 96, so we're not far from there in the public portfolio. Another great SaaS stock that I don't know why it's taking a beating. Bro, Nike made $1 today, right? And guess in a public portfolio, this is what Nike is. Just to show you guys, I have $21. Out of that $21, so minus $1, $20. I have Nike in the private portfolio. I've got in now. So I've no more invest in Tesla. I took all my Tesla profit and my early investment, and I put it in Nike, Celsius, and Honest Company. Bro, Honest Company, That's, bro. Do you look it up? Ticker symbol HNST. Jessica Alba's company, by the way. So right, bro, Weeble. It's a $6.50, right? Already up like 23 cents. That's 2% up. If your money's sat in your bank account, they're not even giving you 2%. If it's you're lucky if your high yield is giving you more than this, which is good bank, especially nowadays. But yeah, I deal with HSBC. I think they give me 3.45%, and SoFi gives me 3.75. So yeah, so public portfolio 6965 today. If you go back to my earlier videos, some of the videos are not even hit like in terms of it didn't even hit 6K. But guys, like I said, look at Meta, bro, on the public portfolio. So I picked up, like you guys know, I picked up Meta when it was Facebook, like when the stock was $88 back in the day. In the public portfolio, my average cost is 611. My 611 average cost today, total return on this one stock in the public portfolio is $84.69 return, right? And I only have in this public portfolio, it's only 1.4 shares, 670 per stock today. Today up $9. So I made $84 on my investment. In no time, bro. I'm telling you, it's no time. This account, the public portfolio I have in Robinhood, it just started. Like I said, I opened this maybe a year in, but it was only having XRP, right? And I've been selling some XRP to fund these other things. So I'm not putting new money into this account. Maybe I've put in here and there, but it's not a lot. Like maybe it's $50, $100, just to show people what to buy. I'm just showing what I'm doing, right? So guys, if you go back to my earlier video, you'll see this whole thing is red, right? All these companies, I go one line by line what these companies are about, which categories, what sectors is sitting. But look at today, bro. We can count the reds. One, two, bro. Let's count the reds. One, two, that's four. That's it. There's only four red. And if you look at the earlier video, obviously these guys are crypto, but I have XRP in my Coinbase app, which I have a lot. My meaning of a lot is what fits my bill and my pocket. So I'm trying to get out of XRP here because it's really negative, and that's just me doing what I'm doing, right? You all don't have to follow me. You all can do your due diligence, but I'm just showing you guys like in no time this account gonna be 10,000 in public. I know, I trust myself. I've made a killing in my private portfolio, and I just got into the right time. There's no right time. I believed in myself in the right time, and I made it happen, right? I advise people, like, if you're not in, get in. Like, you don't have to park all your money. You can park a certain amount, whatever that amount is. If it is aligned to you in your mind frame, start. When you see the money happening, it'll come, bro. It'll come. The gains will come. Like this portfolio right now, that's today, but it's showing I made $178 today, bro. Do the math, bro. So again, Wall Street said Microsoft is down, AI is gonna come take his business, bro. Like everybody I know, including me, uses Microsoft Office for work, right? Everybody, right? The stock is $410 now. One stock, bro. One stock. I made $8 on this stock. Okay. I have 735 in the public portfolio. Today's return itself was $31. So total return 8. Like I said, there's no right time, just get in. But let's see what bro. 600 fair value. That's what I'm trying to show you. 600. The analysts are saying $600 a share, right? What we at? 410. Look at that candle, bro. So so if it's saying it's 600, it's 200 up from now, right? That means my 735. If I don't even accumulate any more shares or anything more, I'm almost a grand, bro. Almost a grand in. And the Champion Leagues is on the background. Real Madrid, Bayern Munich. The score is 2-3. Well, Bayern Munich is 2, Real Madrid 3, on aggregate 4-4. So if you guys follow football or soccer as you'll call it here in the US, that's it. So guys, again, park your money in brands you believe. I believe in these companies. I believe where they're going. They're evergreens, in my opinion. That what that means is basically they're gonna be around. And yes, my positions, I'm a investor, not a trader, so I do everything for the long term. And like, scared money doesn't make money. So do something, invest in yourself, make it happen, own it. On that note, peace, one love.